guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you I'm unboxing my proven winners plants for 2022. I'm super excited. I know you're seeing all this evergreen behind me. That's my Costco haul. I'm loving it. All right, let's get to it. Since the weather is so nice, I'm just gonna leave them out here on the deck. I'm gonna water them in. I can hear it going through the deck boards, so I know the whole thing is watered. Yep. I'm gonna leave them right there next to my hydrangeas, where I haven't decided where I'm planting these yet. I also got these at Costco. These are Summer Crush, and normally I don't buy these types of hydrangeas because one year I bought them probably about 10 years ago, and I got blooms the first season and then nothing for about 4 years. But here we go. Wow. I'm super thrilled with how these proven winner plants arrived, my annuals. I have Nightingale at the very top. Then I have Sunglasses, which has Lovey Dovey in it, which I absolutely love. And then at the bottom, it's called Color Statement. That is true pink. So this year, my color theme is Candyland. I can't wait. Everything's going to be pink, yellow, purple. Woo! I'm going to put some in planters. These particular ones, I want to put them in some hanging baskets that I got on Amazon. So it took me a couple days to get them. That's what they look like. Very pretty. But more importantly, I want to show you what I'm going to use to amend the soil. So first of all, I'm going to be using the Miracle-Gro potting mix, and I'm going to add some Land and Sea compost. Can't forget my biotone, a little bit of that in there. And then I'm also putting the Proven Winners slow release fertilizer. And then I'm going to water these in weekly with water soluble fertilizer. What I failed to mention, this is a self-watering container. Because it's a hanging basket and I won't have it on drip, actually, I think this one's for my grandmother and those two are for my aunt. It won't be on drip. So just as a precaution, I'm using a self-watering container. That way they won't dry out. Add some biotone. Now my soil will be supercharged. I might have put a little bit too much soil in here. I forgot that this is a little bit bigger. So this is called combination color statement. I'll throw up a picture so you can see what it's going to look like when it's fully grown. It's not root bound. It's going to be really pretty, and it's going to go all the way over. Let me add back some of my soil. On the root ball. Got it all dirty. This one's done. Move on to the next one. I finished planting up all 3 hanging baskets, and I think they're going to be gorgeous because you're not even going to see the baskets. I'll give you an update mid-season, what they look like, and I think it's going to be gorgeous.